Subhanallah. Until today, I cannot forget this old man who came to me, and he's still old and he's still alive. May Allah preserve his life. And maybe, I don't think he's from one of the listeners, but maybe I will push this video clip to him to see it. I was in Wise Masjid leading there, and it was the Ramadan, and it was the first Ramadan. We didn't have the masjid. We used to hire schools, halls, and I remember it was a school. And it was Hamilton School. I remember even the name of the school. And I was leading the prayer along with somebody coming from Saudi Arabia. And no, it was not actually. It was an imam from Jordan. He's my friend. He was leading the prayer. So I said to him, not to take a long time, just to make it within the 50 minutes, 1 hour prayer altogether. And we started the prayer, and after, he's mashallah, he's a good reciter he is. After he had, finished the witr, this old man came to me. He could hardly hear as well. He got something in his ear like that, like a speaker. He said to me, Sheikh, I want to complain. Wallahi, I thought he's going to complain about the length of the prayer. He said, Sheikh, can you just tell him to prolong the prayer? Wallahi, I couldn't believe it. I just was kissing his head. He's asking me, can you just tell him, please make the longer prayer? This is a man who's an old man. You expect from him, this is like our old people in our country. No way you could make it longer than 40 minutes. They'll jump up and down. They might even take the iqal and start hitting you with it. This man is an old man. And I think I told the reciter, who was from my country, Sheikh Hassan, and he took it as a parable to tell the other people. One day I led the prayer in Jordan. I made it even just a bit longer. Wallah, just a bit long, just a bit. This person, he just stood up and he thinks he's an old man. He just said, you imams, you go and just make yourself and drink as much, and you come and lead us and torture us in the prayer. Wallah, he did not exceed maybe 45 minutes. But how this is the fault of the people who are leading the prayers. They're not making the people to focus upon the quality, akhwan, not the quantity. We want to have a role model to follow. Are we going to follow the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? People regarding the Qiyam al-Layl are of 2-3 parts. 2 extremes and one in the middle. It's always 2 extremes and one in the middle. One who had really exceeded the 11 rak'ah. 23, 36, 41. And the other one who had just didn't really care about the prayer. He does not pray. And the one in the middle. And the one who are all the time observing the night prayer in Ramadan, in other Ramadan. And they do not exceed the more 11 rak'ah. They are keen to make sure that the quality of the prayer is the one that we are focused upon, to be like the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.